Hello, it's me, FlyLady Kat, and today we're continuing with our gift to you for February from Nikki and inspired by Nikki and myself, Flying with Wisdom, Flying with Grace. Today we're talking about Zone 4, the master bedroom, master bathroom, and master closet. So when you get to Zone 4, you're going to do 1, 2, or all 3 of these rooms as they apply to you. But you're only going to do one thing per day. And you know in our zone we have 4 days to work. So if you're going to work in your bedroom and it's cluttered and it's super cluttered, then you're going to work in your master bedroom and not worry about the closet right now or the master bathroom. And each day for 4 days you're going to declutter for 15 minutes in that room. Remember to always plan what you're going to declutter before you do. If you walk into the room to declutter and it's overwhelming, you'll be stymied. So I want you to think about it before you start. What 4 things do I want to do in this room? Do I need to clean out under the bed? Maybe that's 1. Clean the side table, the drawers in the side table, the top, the bottom, whatever, that's 2. Maybe straighten the dresser drawers, that's 3. And maybe clear the top of the dresser, that's 4 things you could pick. That would take 15 minutes or less. If you don't have clutter in that room, but you still have clutter in your closet and or your master bathroom, then you wouldn't even do the room. You would go to the closet and or the master bathroom and do the same thing. One thing in each of those rooms for 1 day, not both rooms. I don't think I said that right, but I think you know what I mean. So let's say day 1 you decluttered in your bedroom and it's done. Day 2 you need to declutter in your closet and it's really rough and it's going to take you 2 days. That's days 2 and 3. Day 3, you have to declutter the linen closet or under the sink in the bathroom and the master bath. That's 4. You might not finish. It's okay. Next month it's going to come around sooner than you think and you're going to do it again. Remember that we're maintaining in these rooms by doing clutter checks, by looking around before you leave the room to see if it looks the way you think. Maybe put on your cat's eyes and look through somebody else's eyes at it. Look and see. Is it good? Did you leave something out of place? Take that thing and put it up. That's a clutter check for your mindless clutter. The other thing that's going to keep your room looking nice once it's decluttered before you can start deep cleaning is the basic weekly plan. You're going to vacuum the traffic patterns in your bedroom. You're going to dust the furniture with your feather duster. You're going to wipe the mirror if there's some spots on the glass. So there's some things that'll keep it looking nice until you can get to the point where you're deep cleaning one thing at a time. So when we get to the deep cleaning time, when the room is totally decluttered, the closet is totally decluttered, and the bathroom is decluttered, then you're going to pick 4 cleaning things to do. So let's say you start with your bedroom, and for 2 days you want to work in your bedroom, and you decide that you haven't polished the furniture in a long time. So on day 1, you want to polish the furniture, and you're going to take about 10 minutes to do that. Remember, when there's no clutter on the dresser, it's going to be much easier to move a few things and polish the furniture. Then the next thing you might want to do is you might want to give it a really good vacuum. Kind of move some furniture that you can move, vacuum under the bed, get in the corners. This is when you'll do the pretty lines in the carpet. So let's say that's all you wanted to do in that room. Then you wanted to deep clean your closet. It needs a good vacuum. Vacuum the closet. Maybe dust the shelves in there. 10 minutes. And then the last day, let's say you wanted to really give that shower stall or that tub a good scrub. 10 minutes. And you're done. Remember, you're going to keep it decluttered, and every month it's going to come around again and again and again. This is how your home will stay decluttered and spring clean. That's it for today. Make sure you check Nikki's link to see her video interpretation of Zone 4. I'm so excited for you to have this gift from us, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful.